Welcome, in front of me I have XIAOMI Black Shark 4 and today I'll show you how you can take screenshot without using physical keys. So you have to go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down to the additional settings. Next you have to pick option called button shortcuts and pick take a screenshot. As you can see we got a couple of the options, but without buttons we got the first one, slide 3 fingers down. So when we select this option and slide with our fingers like that, we can easily take a screenshot and we can save by tapping here, and of course you will find this screenshot in the gallery. So as you can see, that's how you can make it. In some smartphones you can also find this option right here and the quick panel. When you tap on the screenshot icon, the screenshot will be taken. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.